What's up, YouTube? Seductive Souls coming back at you. I got a pair of Reebok work shoes right here. They've been brought to me. Do a little magic on them. Of course, they're blue with reflective right here on the old school Reebok logo. So pretty much what I'm going to do is customize these slightly. Take that white midsole and make it black. And then that reflective 3M on that Reebok logo, gonna make it black as well. So something simple, not gonna take long to do. Again, gonna paint the midsole black all the way black, and then reflective Reebok logo paint black as well. So I'll be back with the finished product. Finished product, got the Reebok work shoes. As you see, I painted the reflective black and the midsole black as well. Make them look a little better. Kind of blends in better as well too. Came out pretty good. I was kind of sketchy at first about painting the 3M because I didn't know how it would turn out, that reflective material. But I think it came out pretty good after a couple layers, because it had the first 2 layers left streaks real bad, and of course it's silver reflective, so it didn't really look like it was gonna cover it up. But a few more layers did the job, blacked it out, made it look good. I think it looked fly while you at work. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think.